In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum to all the viewers. Do you really know what is the biggest fault of our education system? The biggest fault of our education system is that we are unable to produce good individuals and good human beings. Our education system is producing a lot of doctors and engineers, judges and journalists, bureaucrats and army officers, intellectuals, scholars, teachers, politicians. Almost all types of people are being produced by our education system. But unfortunately, it is unable to produce good human beings and good individuals. And remember that only good individuals can be good doctors and engineers. Only good human beings can be good judges and journalists. Only good human beings can be good teachers and professors. Only good human beings can be good bureaucrats and army officers. So there is a dire need to reform and change our education system. Because a good education system always produces good individuals and good human beings. And good individuals and good human beings always make a good society and community. Thanks for watching this video.